Exercise 5D. Solve the following equation using formula. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. Okay, first question. X square minus 6x is equals to 27. That means x square minus 6x minus 27 is equals to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 6, c is minus 27. We will substitute the value in the formula to find the root. So minus b, that is minus into minus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 27 upon 2a. Okay, so minus into minus plus. So plus 6 plus or minus root of 6 6 are 36 minus into minus again plus 4 27s are 108. So upon 2a, so 2 into 1 is 2. 36 plus 108 is 144. Root of 144 is 12. So we get 6 plus or minus 12 upon 2. So that is 6 plus 12 upon 2 and 6 minus 12 upon 2. So this is 18 upon 2, 9 minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3. So the roots are 9 and minus 3. Second sum, x square minus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. A is equals to 1. Same way, b is minus 10, c is 21. Okay, so what is the root? Is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Always first write the formula. Okay, then substitute. So minus, what is b? Minus 10 plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 10 square, minus 4, a is 1, c is 21 upon 2a, that is 2 into 1. So this is plus 10 plus or minus 10 square is 100, 4 into 21 is minus 84 upon 2. So that is plus 10 plus or minus 100 minus 84 is 16 upon 2. Root of 16 is 4. So plus 10 plus or minus 4 upon 2. So one root is 10 plus 4 upon 2 and 10 minus 4 upon 2. So this is 14 by 2 is 7, 6 by 2 is 3. So 7 and 3 are the two roots of the equation. Third sum, x square plus 6x minus 10 is equals to 0. So a is 1, b is 6, c is minus 10. So what are the root? What is the formula for finding the root? X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So what is b is 6. So minus 6 plus or minus root of b square is 36 minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 10 upon 2. 2 into 1. So minus into minus plus 4 tens are 40. So this is 36 plus 40. That is root 76. So root 76 is 2 root 19. Okay, so first is here 2 is common, So 2 cancel. So what remains is minus 3 plus root 19 and minus 3 minus root 19 are the two roots of the equation. Fourth sum, x square plus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. So here a is 1, b is 2, c is minus 6. Write the formula, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b is 2 plus or minus root of b square, that is 2 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 6 upon 2 into a, that is 2 into 1. Okay, so 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus, 6 4s are 24. So 4 plus 24 is 28. So 28 means 4 7s are. Root 4 is 2. So root 28 is 2 root 7. Here 2 is common. So we move. So we get the root as minus 1 plus root 7 and minus 1 minus root 7. Fifth sum, 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So here a is 3, b is 2, c is minus 1. Write the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac plus 2a. So x is equals to minus b, that is minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square minus 4, a is 3, c is minus 1 upon 2a. So 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12. So this is root 16, that is 4. So what we got? Minus 2 plus or minus 4 upon 6. So x is either minus 2 plus 4 upon 6 and minus 2 minus 4 upon 6. So this is 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3, or minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1. Sixth sum, 2x square plus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. So a is 2, b is 7, c is 5. Substitute the value, minus b, that is minus 7 plus or minus root of b square. So 7 square minus 4, a is 2, c is 5 upon 2, a is again 2. Okay, so 7 square is 49 minus 5 4s are 20 into 2 40. So this is minus 40. So 49 minus 40 will be root 9. Root 9 is 3. So what we got? The roots are minus 7 plus or minus 3 upon 4. That is minus 7 plus 3 upon 4 and minus 7 minus 3 upon 4. That is, so that is minus 4 upon 4, that is minus 1, minus 10 upon 4, that is minus 5 upon 2. So roots are minus 1 and minus 5 upon 2. Seventh sum, 2 by 3x is equals to minus 1 by 6x square minus 1 upon 3. So now you will see the denominator is 6 3. So LCM of the denominator will be 6. So multiply all the sides by 6. So we get 4x is equals to minus x square minus 2. We transfer this to the left hand side. We get x square plus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0. So A is 1, B is 4, C is 2. Okay, write the formula and then substitute. So minus B, that is minus 4, plus or minus root of B square is 4 square minus 4, A is 1, C is 2 upon 2A, which is 1. So 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8 upon 2. 16 minus 8 is 8. Root 8 will be 2 root 2. So the roots are all are divisible by 2. So we divide minus 2 plus or minus root 2. So one root is minus 2 plus root 2 and minus 2 minus root 2. Sum number 8. 1 upon 15 x square plus 5 upon 3 is equals to 2 upon 3 x. Same way, see the denominator, LCM of the denominator will be 15. So multiply both the sides by 15. So we get x square plus 25 is equals to 10x. Okay, so transpose it to the left hand side. We get x square minus 10x plus 25 is equals to 0. So A is 1, B is minus 10, C is 25. Write the formula and then substitute. That is minus B is minus 10 plus or minus root of B square, that is minus 10 square, minus 4, A is 1, C is 25 upon 2 into A, that is 2 into 1. Okay, so minus 10 into minus 10 plus 10 minus 4 25s are 100. So this is minus 100 minus 100, that is 0. Okay, root of 0 is 0. So 10 upon 2, that is 5. So root of this quadratic equation is 5.